In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change home screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, if we want to change home screen or lock screen wallpaper, we need to head over to settings, then scroll down a bit and tap at wallpaper. That's where we can easily switch between our wallpapers just by swiping them left or right, or we can add a new one by hitting at add new wallpaper. That's where we can choose a wallpaper from that different categories such as suggested photos, featured, emoji, collections, and all other different categories. We can set a wallpaper simply by tapping on it, or we can set a custom wallpaper. Let's say I want to use some photo from my camera roll as a wallpaper. I can just tap at photos and it will show me photos from my camera roll. I can tap at all and then I can choose any photo from my phone's gallery, just like that. And then also I can pinch it to scale, and then also we can swipe left or right to apply some filters to that photo. If we want to turn on or off that depth effect, we can tap at these three dots, and as you can see, depth effect is now check marked. We can turn it off or turn it on. Then we can tap at add, and then we can set this wallpaper as a current wallpaper on our device. If we want to add a widget on our home screen, we need to long press on home screen and then tap at that plus sign. That will show us different widgets, and we can scroll down and search for a widget that we want to add. Let's say I want to add clock widget. I can just tap on it, then select some specific widget, let it be that one, and then I can tap at that button and it will immediately place this widget on my home screen. Then I can touch and hold my finger on that widget and I can move it around, up or down, left or right, and also I can simply by dragging it to the right or left edge of the screen, I can move it to another home screen, just like that. Then we can hit at done to save the position of the widget, and also some widgets has their own settings and we can customize it. We can just long press at that widget and then select edit widget. At clock widget we can change the cities. There are 4 different cities and we can change each of them just like that, and also we can change their order simply by dragging them up or down in that way. Also we can rearrange photos on our home screen. To do that, just long press at any app and then just move your finger, and in that way you can drag any app and place it at any position on your home screen. You can also drag it to another home screen just like that, and once you lift off your finger it will place the app icon to the current position. If you want to group some apps into folders, you can easily do so. To do that, just long press at app icon and then move it over the other app icon, and what that will do, that will create a folder and place both of these apps into that folder. Also, it will automatically name it. In my case, it is named as education, but we can tap on it. We can remove the existing one, and then we can type in here any text. After that, we can hit add done, and also we can add another apps to that folder, and within a folder we can also change the order of these apps simply by dragging them in that way. And there is one more trick here. If we tap at that bar, it will show us all our home screens, and that's where we can hide any home screens simply by unchecking them, just like that. If we hit add done, now it will show us just those home screens that we have check marked. So right now there is just one active home screen, as you can see, and also we can just long press at our home screen, then get back right here, and then we can check mark all of them back. That's how you can easily change your home screen on iPhone. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.